Hey team, it's Coach Jen from Shalom, Austin, JCC, bringing you J Camps in the house! Today we are doing a frisbee activity we call air raid. I need at least one frisbee for this activity. I can play this game by myself, or if I have at least two frisbees, I could play with teams. So I've set up a bunch of different unbreakable objects in my driveway. And you can see there's a variety of things. I have a hula hoop, a clothes basket, a chair, and a bag. So these are all the objects that I'm aiming for. I have a starting line set up a few feet back this direction. And when we say go, my job is to throw the frisbee and try to hit or land on one of those objects. If I can do that, I get to grab that object, it's worth 1 point, and run it back to my starting line. Every time I throw, I have to go fetch my frisbee because I only have one for me or for my team. All right, ready? Let's do it. Two points. It's a really fun game and you can get a lot of exercise. Post a video of your version of Air Raid on our J Camps Facebook page. Sending you a big high five.
Who's awesome?
You're awesome.